Banao Resort, Candon City. Infinity Falls ng Banao Resort. Lapit sa diversyon ng Candon. Papuntang Galimuyod. Pinakamalawak na swimming pool ng Ilocos. Adult pool ito in kiddie pool. Kiddie pool, malawak na itong kiddie pool na ito. Meron mas malawak pa yung infant pool. May kiddie pool, may infant, may adult. May splash pad. So, napakalaki itong Banao Resort. Punta na mga guys. Na-experience nyo dito sa Banao. Managed by Sacred Heart Cooperative. Managed and owned by Sacred Heart Cooperative.